Friends, sure, very welcome back to the channel here. Okay, so this is the Wednesday, and we'll do the analysis for the weekly expiry where this Nifty and Bank Nifty is going to make a move. If you look at this chart of the Bank Nifty over here, this is the chart of Bank Nifty of 15 minutes time frame, right? So this was the first candle. As soon as it opened a little gap up, I would rather see it, but it really didn't sustain on the top of it, and it gave a very sharp fall in the beginning of 30 minutes and all that, right? So you can see that these two candles, the one each 15 minutes candle, right? Now after this, what happened? If you see exactly that previously where it was taking the support, it has been well supported, right? Once again, it has respected that low of the previous day. That means it came somewhere around 34,450 and all that. That's great, good one. Now what happened? Now after that, the market started recovering very fast, but it didn't really go beyond this. So this is going to be a very good resistance in near term, especially for tomorrow. If it opens flats, we are going to see whether this zone, that means 34,950, will be a zone we can consider here, right? So this will be a zone as a resistance, immediate resistance, which is not so vital, I would rather say it. But looking at the chart of today in 15 minutes, we can find it out that there is some resistance at this point. So tomorrow, if we are opening very, like a flat, this is going to play a kind of resistance in near term, whereas in the downside I will be seeing the same thing, right? That means 34,450 will be a crucial zone for the Bank Nifty for tomorrow. If it sustain, if it comes near that, that means even if it's trying to spend this zone, I'm telling you 34,500 and all that, be careful, because from here it may take a very sharp fall towards downside also. But downside is likely not to happen tomorrow. We are either seeing the sideways market, otherwise trendy market on the other side. That is what I am expecting the market to behave tomorrow. This is the Bank Nifty, right? Now I had the very like a stop loss hit today two times. So the first candle here also I got a stop loss, but I had a good position over here. I understood from here that it is going to reverse, like it taking upside trend, but I booked the profit here itself. I was supposed to hold for some time here, which I was sure that it would come near to this place. But after that, I started taking the position here, and which really hit my another stop loss. Then after, I thought, no, it's another time to trade again. So I just kept myself away from the market for some time. Just kept on watching, right? So look at this is the chart of the Bank Nifty in the 5 minutes of time frame, right? If you look at this chart, it is going to tell you that how this market played today as a range bond, right, with a lot of volatility. So that is the the major concern of today. So this was the opening, it took reversal, opening, reversal, opening. So this kind of pattern. Now here onwards, if you look at sorry, what happened here? So market tried to sustain above this. It was making trendy market on the swing trend, but somehow it could not break. So for tomorrow, as I have said, that for 34,000, so 950 is going to be an immediate resistance for Bank Nifty, right? So tomorrow we are quite, I would say that it is going to be a trendy market. If you're going to open flat, just wait for the price action, which may further take you to the upper side only. But after the 34,950, there will be a like a short recovery that can be seen on the Bank Nifty. What about the Nifty? Let's discuss on the Nifty. So Nifty looks very strong, and as compared to that, what's the Bank Nifty, right? This is the chart of the Nifty in the time frame of 5 minutes. Look at here. So this time it was trying to spend here time. So this was a signal for us that we were that price action is going to be on the top, on the upper side, right? So it went until here, and look at here. Each time the lower high, there's one, but this big candle violated this, like what do we call it? This is a zone. Not only one time, rather it two times it violated this zone. But still, I'm bullish on the Nifty, right? So tomorrow, if you are opening gap up, then make sure that we are going to hit the all-time high that is likely to happen towards the end of the day. But that might tomorrow we may also see a market is sideways, because we are just near to the all-time high, right? So that may also take place. So this kind of chat, when you have this candle, just wait for the market to decide, because we do not know what kind of pattern it is going to form and where the traders are going to take position. So generally this type of trading system I would prefer to avoid to trade, right? Now wait in the daily candle. Let us decide how does it look like in Nifty daily candle, right? Let's look at here. This was the second highest closing, otherwise highest, yeah, highest of the Nifty, right? That was 15,336, and it was closed very badly. But today it has not done so. That means I was expecting today that it would fall, but it didn't really fall, and yesterday closing was there 15,163, and today we have finally given a good closing, I would say. So I'm quite bullish in the Nifty and this. So we are likely to come to this point 390, right? That is what is the high. Let us see. This is the high for 15,431. So tomorrow we may likely to see 14,000, 15, no, 15,420, 25 will be a zone. From there, maybe market may reverse back. Otherwise, it will be a sideways. So that is what. Or we may see sometimes breaking out of all-time high can also be possible in the Nifty, because Nifty has a good, it has made very good move as well. So that's all about it. Downside, I would say if it trades below this one, right? That means opening was there 15,257 is going to a support for tomorrow. During daytime, once it may come to that place, but closing basically, I don't really think that it is going to close below 15,250. So that will be a key point to notice for tomorrow. And if it breaks the low of yesterday, that is 15, today is 15,194, there is likely to take a reversal of this pattern, right? That means we may fall again a reversal pattern. That means, okay, this might take place. Okay, this full. So we are, let's see tomorrow what does it happen like. So that's all about it. So we will watch the price actions of the market during the Nifty, especially focus on the Nifty, because Nifty looks quite bullish for me as compared to Bank Nifty, right? This is all about the analysis of the Nifty and Bank Nifty. We'll see tomorrow during the market hour where it executes our, like a price actions and also trading setup. So thank you so very much. If you like the videos worth doing for you, please do subscribe and hit the like button as well. Thank you so much. That's all for the day.